Ilyas. Wait. Who's this? Who is this छोटा मुन्ने का? Ilyas, what you doing? What? No. Baby, come back.
ए बिलाल
हाँ,
एक मेरा फेवर तो बेटा
क्या करना?
इस इसका जरा नापो तो इसका जो इंची टेप जो है इसको नाप ऊपर में एक
बेबी, ये कौन बेबी है, you know? अरे उधर देखो ना। Do you know this baby? देखो गंदी चीजें छूता रहता है। Baby is learning how to climb on stairs. Ah. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
I think this is his first time walking outside.
वो भी नंगे पैर।
What Dada doing? He was having fun trying to find out what could obstruct the Roombaba's.
इसको?
He's putting like different cars in front of it.
Yeah, this is different. Keep going straight until you find some obstruction and it goes like 45 degrees.
Yeah, it just completely changes direction.
Does not follow that path. Keep going until it gets hit, then it will just reflect and go to the other direction. And sometimes it goes 45 degrees, sometimes 90 degrees.
Working on a Sunday? Sunday? No, it's Monday.
Our work hours are 8 to 6, so sometimes things get delayed. तुम देखो कुछ खा लिया उठा के जी।
What? You want to go to Baba? You want to come to Baba?
Go into camera.
आजा आजा ओए आजा बाबा के पास आजा बाबा के पास आजा बाबा के पास No, it's a 360 camera on a big stick. Yeah, because it has an algorithm that removes the stick from the camera.
Why is it moving so much? You're not moving.
Well, I can then reframe after. Because it captures everything.
Okay.
Wait. Yes. Yeah? What are you looking for?
3 things on the bench.
आपसे सिल्वर जो बेस वाला है
Oh, okay.
सिल्वर वाला बेस जो गराज बेसमेंट में रखा था
काम चाहिए आपको।
मुझे जल्दी लिविंग रूम में
यार डिस्टर्ब by other सामान। Have you seen it?
फायरप्लेस के पास रखना
फायर प्लेस पास अभी मत रखे हैं।
रखिए उसके अंदर जनमाद रखूंगी
बात उसकी नहीं है, अभी छोटे बच्चे हैं, फायर प्लेस पास अभी ना रखें।
Yes. Look, who's this? Who is this? You see yourself? You see yourself?
ओके
कौन है ये? कौन है ये? No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Look here. What was that? Yeah, and I think there was one thing that you added in there, but it was.
How much did it weigh?
It weighed like less than 40 pounds. Yeah.
I have a scale sitting here if you need to weigh anything.
ठीक है मैं पैक करती हूँ फिर करती हूँ
Yeah, worst case scenario, you can adjust some stuff into mine.
Yeah, because with 3 suits think if you ask the 47 cup, it was really close. So the one that program.
Hello, baby. What's wrong? What's wrong? What are you looking for? You're looking for the Roombaba?
So here's this guy. तो होल्ड इट हैंड ऊपर वजन करना होगा
Yeah.
right? तो इसको ऊपर लेके यहीं पर रखा हुआ
Yeah. Can you put it on the bed? On the table? Ilyas! Oi!
Hey, Bilal.
Yeah.